In this short tutorial, you will learn how to send disappearing photos on WhatsApp. Disappearing photos are a cool feature that allows you to send photos that can only be viewed once by the recipient. To get started, open up the WhatsApp application and then tap Chats. After that, tap and select the conversation to which you want to send the disappearing photo. Then tap on the camera button at the bottom right. Now you can either take a photo right now, or select an existing one from the camera roll. Once you've done that, you can add some stickers and text and edit your photo if you want to. To send this as a disappearing photo, simply tap on this button. Now this photo is set to be viewed once. All you have to do next is tap on the send button. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.